The nuCamp marketing team had the pleasure of attending a camping gathering at Salt Fork State Park with the Ohio and Pennsylvania Tappan Friends at the end of April. Jesse Mullet, president and CEO of nuCamp, surprised everyone with a pizza lunch, but that wasn't the only surprise. Kurt Grottenthaler and Susan Daughtry were camping in their Tap for their very first in-person meetup with the Facebook community when they discovered a leak in their camper. When Jesse heard about the issue, he rolled up his sleeves, swapped his nuCamp button-down for a cooler shirt, and got right to work.
Hi, my name's Kurt Grottenthaler. First time at this event. We pull up. We are not even fully situated and everything, and we find out that when we turn on the water pump, I have water jettisoning into all the dishes underneath the sink and so forth. And here comes the president, a surprise guest this year, Jesse, and showed up with some pizza. We started talking. Find we have some common interests like golf and Cabo. What happened was I said, hey, here's my deal. And he goes, hey, I know a guy.
After inspecting the faucet, he found a broken seal causing the leak and replaced it on the spot for Kurt and Susan.
My background is in physical therapy. He's got a 7 or 8 out of 10 pain when he turns his head. If there's one thing I know about is neck pain, I fixed his neck. He just finished up. We're about ready to do a water test. Nothing says community more than that. So God bless nuCamp and Jesse and all the people really have been nothing but a joy.
We're so glad we could help. For us at nuCamp, it's not just about campers. It's about a community that feels like family. Do you have a story like Kurt's? Maybe someone lent you a helping hand, you took an unforgettable trip, or you made a lifelong friend at a gathering. We'd love to hear about it. Visit nucamprv.com/share-your-adventure to share your story.